What's going on, all you droniacs out there? Just out here on the St. Louis River for one of our annual trips for pelican migration. And I don't know if you can see any. Those aren't them down there. Those are a bunch of foam from the river. But over there on that bank is, let's see if I can zoom in, is a bunch of pelicans. Of course, when I was working, there was a ton of them right over here and stuff, but now this is an island right here. They're on the other side of that. There's a good, I don't know, probably 3 dozen over there. But yeah, you can see some flying around over there, just frolicking around and doing pelican things. It is their annual time to come down here and migrate, or stop on their migration and make little pelicans. One thing I do want to say is, so right over here, they are packing up right now. But it was a bunch of birders, which not bad. I'm not saying it's bad thing, but I'm just saying that when you come down here, or when you encounter a lot of people, maybe they are here first, maybe they are enjoying the day too, just, use caution around people, especially when you get around wildlife, because people get very upset over wildlife. Typically the people will get mad first before the wildlife gets mad at you for flying your drone. So, but I came down here, I just asked, like, hey, is it okay if I take out my drone? I don't want to get anybody mad. I don't want to disturb what you guys are doing, that kind of thing. So they were pretty fine with that, which was cool. I have had people that weren't fine with that, even when I was here first. But that being said, it was a pretty good day. Got some pelicans flying around. Just up the river here is Jay Cooke State Park. Over this hill is one of the dams that are on St. Louis River. But just kind of wishing for a little more pelicans. It's kind of late from when I first saw them, so maybe that's a thing. But pretty fun video otherwise. Nonetheless, thought I just saw one fly by. There's some seagulls out on the point over there. But then there's some pelicans over on that bank, far bank over there. But yeah, we got some good shots. A lot of pelicans just frolicking around, having fun. They didn't mind the drone at all. They actually were flying around it a few times, so that was pretty cool. But anyway, I will have the full video up later on this week. Be sure to check my channel. Do all that like and subscribe stuff that YouTubers always tell you to do. And I don't know what that was. Did you see that pop out of the water there? I don't know if I got that on camera. I want to say it was a fish that jumped out of the water, but I don't know what it was. But anyway, as I was trying to say is, yeah, do all that like and subscribe stuff that YouTubers like when you do what you do. And you know what? Just have a great day. I'll talk to you later, droniacs. Bye now.